Today's menu is 제육볶음, one of the soul foods of Korean men. 제육볶음 is a representative Korean home-style dish and a popular restaurant menu made by stir-frying pork with a gochujang-based spicy sauce. It is believed to have originated from a cooking method developed to preserve pork longer by stir-frying it with spicy seasoning. Thanks to the bold flavors, it pairs extremely well with rice and is famous as a soul food for many Korean men. Its spicy yet slightly sweet taste is often described as a food that helps relieve stress. It has also been popular because it allows you to eat a lot with relatively inexpensive ingredients. There are various types of 제육볶음, with the gochujang-based version being the most common. 제육볶음 made with a soy sauce marinade is popular among people who cannot handle spicy food. Another charm of 제육볶음 is that different regions and households use different ingredient combinations and seasoning ratios, creating many styles. Now, let me introduce the recipe for 제육볶음. Ingredients: 300 g pork shoulder, half onion, a handful of cabbage, 1 green onion, a little carrot, and cooking oil. First, I will make the seasoning in the bowl. Make the seasoning in advance and pour it into the pan all at once to avoid burning it. 1.5 spoons of gochujang, 1 soy sauce, 1 mirin. It'd be nice to have it, but if not, it can be omitted. 1 sugar, 1 minced garlic, a pinch of pepper. Mix everything well. Wipe off the moisture using a kitchen towel. Cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. I use pork shoulder. This pork shoulder has a moderate amount of fat and lean meat, making it chewy and rich in vitamin B1, making it ideal for bulgogi. If the meat is thick, marinate it for a bit, but if it is thin, you can grate it right away. The meat I used was thin, so I cook it right away without marinating it. Thinly slice the onion, carrot, the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. You can omit the cabbage, but I recommend adding it because it makes the dish much more flavorful. And finally chop the white part of green onion for the green onion oil. Chop the green part into similar sized pieces to add at the end. Heat cooking oil in a pan, add the green onion for the green onion oil, and stir fry for about a minute to release the green onion scent. The overall flavor of this depends when the flavor of the green onions permeates the oil rather than just the oil. When the green onion aroma rises, add the seasoning sauce and stir fry. If you prefer a spicier dish, add a little more red pepper powder. If you prefer it less spicy, add only half of the amount of Korean chili pepper flakes. Add the onion, carrot, cabbage, and stir fry. And add the meat and stir fry together. If you want it spicier, add more chili pepper flakes to suit your taste. My family likes spicy food, so I added a lot of chili pepper flakes. When the vegetables are half cooked, add a round of corn syrup. Once the meat is cooked, add the green onions at the end and stir fry. Turn off the heat and drizzle with sesame oil and sesame for a nutty flavor. To successfully make 제육볶음, remember these two things. Prepare and mix the seasoning in advance. If you add it one at a time in the pan, it will burn. Always add sugar to unique savory flavor of Korean food. Finally, delicious 제육볶음 complete. Enjoy!